Here we are. I was going to make tomato soup, actually tomato sauce, which I use like a soup. But then I started thinking, why don't I just use what the combination diet entails? Now this says with tomatoes you can have other fruits like strawberries, and that tomatoes go best with non-starchy vegetables, nuts, seeds, olives, cucumbers, avocado, and sweet peppers. So let's go back over here. Let's see. There's something in here. I don't know if you could tell now, but that's a big strawberry. I had some frozen strawberries in the freezer. This, the green here is frozen spinach. These are sunflower seeds. And somewhere in here are pumpkin seeds. Anyway, I plan to put the ingredients below the video. And of course I haven't tasted it yet. And I'm planning to leave it to cook for a few hours. You have to stir this every once in a while. And you have to add water. Like now, it's looking too thick, so I'll probably add some water. Filtered water, of course. And we'll see what happens. I don't know what to call it yet. Fruit soup, Garden of Eden soup, Gan Eden, which means Garden of Eden in Hebrew. Gan Eden. I don't know, I have to think about it. Anyway, it's a wonderful thing to cook every day, especially in the morning. It makes a beautiful smell in the house, and you don't have to worry about what you're going to eat later. To be continued.